Imagine a city where nearly everything is controlled by technology. Traffic lights change automatically to prevent congestion. Garbage is transported through underground tubes instead of trucks. And entire buildings are connected, sharing data to optimize energy use and comfort. This isn't a concept from a science fiction movie. It is reality in one of the most advanced cities ever built. Songdo International Business District. Every street, every building, and every system was designed from scratch with smart technology in mind, making Songdo a city where technology is not just a convenience, but the backbone of daily life. From automated waste systems to sensors monitoring air quality and energy consumption, this city represents a glimpse into what the future of urban living could look like. Rapid urbanization has created a massive challenge for cities around the world. As populations grow, urban areas are becoming overcrowded, placing enormous strain on infrastructure, transportation, energy, and public services. Traditional cities often struggle to manage these pressures efficiently, leading to traffic congestion, pollution, and resource shortages. Governments and urban planners have been experimenting with smart infrastructure, using sensors, real-time data, and automation to improve city management and create more efficient, sustainable environments. Smart city technologies can monitor energy usage, optimize traffic flow, and even predict maintenance needs before problems occur. Songdo was conceived to address these exact challenges. By building a city from the ground up with technology fully integrated into its design, Songdo aims to provide a model for how urban areas of the future can operate more efficiently, sustainably, and seamlessly. Songdo International Business District is unique because it was not built on an existing urban area. It was constructed entirely from reclaimed land along the coast near Incheon, South Korea. The project began in the early 2000s with a vision to create a fully planned, technologically advanced city that could serve as a global business hub. The total development cost is estimated at around $40 billion, making it one of the most expensive urban projects ever attempted. The city was designed to accommodate hundreds of thousands of residents, with a focus on high-quality living spaces, commercial centers, and green areas integrated seamlessly with technology. The project brought together international and local expertise, including the American development company Gale International and the South Korean construction giant POSCO Engineering and Construction. These partners coordinated to design infrastructure, buildings, and urban layouts with smart systems embedded from the start. Unlike retrofitted smart city projects, Songdo was planned from the ground up, ensuring that technology could be integrated seamlessly into traffic systems, energy grids, and public spaces. The city represents a rare opportunity to see what a fully connected, technologically managed urban environment looks like in practice. Songdo is often described as a city controlled by data, with technology embedded into nearly every aspect of daily life. In residential areas, smart homes are equipped with systems that allow residents to manage lighting, heating, and security remotely, while appliances can communicate with each other to optimize energy use. Office buildings and commercial spaces are connected to centralized networks that monitor and control energy consumption, air quality, and even elevator usage. At the city level, a vast network of sensors constantly collects data on traffic, weather, and energy demand, allowing the municipal systems to adjust automatically and maintain efficiency. Traffic lights, for example, are synchronized using real-time information to reduce congestion and improve commute times. Energy grids are monitored continuously to balance supply and demand, while water and heating systems adjust automatically to optimize usage. Technology companies such as Cisco Systems were involved in designing the infrastructure that makes this level of connectivity possible. Together, these systems create a city that is highly efficient, environmentally conscious, and responsive to the needs of its residents. One of Songdo's most innovative features is its automated waste management system, which replaces traditional garbage trucks entirely. Instead of trucks driving through the streets to collect trash, residents and businesses deposit waste into special chutes that connect to an underground pneumatic network. The system then uses air pressure to transport the garbage at high speeds through underground tubes directly to central processing and recycling facilities. This reduces the need for truck traffic, decreases emissions, and keeps the streets cleaner. The system is capable of handling large volumes of waste efficiently while separating recyclables and other materials automatically, reducing human labor and improving environmental outcomes. It is a perfect example of how technology is applied to everyday city functions in Songdo, demonstrating how integrating automated systems from the ground up can create a cleaner, more sustainable urban environment. Transportation in Songdo is also designed with advanced technology at its core. The city features an extensive network of bike lanes, pedestrian pathways, and electric public transportation options that reduce dependence on cars. Smart traffic management systems monitor vehicle flow in real time, adjusting signals to prevent congestion and maintain smooth movement throughout the city. Additionally, Songdo's proximity to Incheon International Airport makes it an ideal hub for international business, with roads and transit systems optimized for both local and global connectivity. Electric buses, automated parking systems, and integrated ride-sharing platforms work together to reduce emissions and increase efficiency. By combining urban design with technology, Songdo demonstrates how cities of the future can provide mobility that is fast, sustainable, and adaptive to the needs of residents and businesses alike. While Songdo is celebrated as a model for futuristic urban living, it has faced its share of challenges and criticism, illustrating that building a technologically advanced city does not automatically guarantee social or economic success. One major issue has been the city's slower-than-expected population growth. Despite its impressive infrastructure and smart systems, Songdo has struggled to attract large numbers of residents, partly because many people prefer to live in traditional urban centers where communities, schools, and cultural institutions are already well established. Planners initially anticipated that the city would quickly reach a population of hundreds of thousands, but the actual growth has been more gradual, leaving parts of the city feeling less vibrant than intended. Critics also argue that while the technology in Songdo is impressive, it can create a sense of sterility or over-planning. Some urban experts suggest that cities need organic development, cultural vibrancy, and social interactions that cannot be programmed or automated. In addition, the cost of building Songdo, estimated at over $40 billion, has raised questions about whether such heavy investment in technology-driven infrastructure is truly justified if population and business adoption lag behind expectations. There are also ongoing concerns about privacy and surveillance, as the same sensors and data networks that make the city efficient also collect vast amounts of information about residents' activities, creating a tension between convenience and personal freedom. Despite these challenges, Songdo continues to operate as a living laboratory for urban innovation. The city's successes and setbacks provide critical lessons for planners and governments around the world who hope to integrate smart technologies into future urban projects. Songdo demonstrates that while technology can dramatically improve efficiency and sustainability, social, cultural, and economic factors remain just as important in determining the overall success of a city. Songdo's development is part of a broader trend in urban planning, the emergence of fully integrated smart cities that leverage technology to improve efficiency, sustainability, and quality of life. The lessons learned from Songdo are influencing projects around the globe. For example, Masdar City is being designed with renewable energy and sustainable technologies at its core, while Neom plans to integrate artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced energy systems throughout the city's infrastructure. As governments and developers experiment with new technologies, from automated traffic systems to AI-managed utilities, the potential exists to create cities that are more responsive to human needs and environmental challenges than ever before. Smart cities are no longer just theoretical concepts. They are increasingly becoming real, functioning communities that test the limits of urban planning and technology integration. Songdo, with all its successes and imperfections, offers a glimpse of what the future may hold. A world in which cities are designed not just to accommodate people, but to interact intelligently with them, continuously adapting to create safer, cleaner, and more efficient urban environments. Songdo International Business District shows what happens when a city is designed entirely around technology. From automated waste systems to smart traffic control and data-driven energy management, it demonstrates how urban life can be more efficient, sustainable, and connected than ever before. While challenges remain, Songdo offers a glimpse into the cities of the future. Places where technology doesn't just support daily life, it actively shapes it. The question isn't whether smart cities will exist, they already do, but how technology will continue to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the urban world.